Hi everybody, I'm Martha and I'm the Marketing and Fundraising Officer here at Bendrigg. I've been asked to put together a short video for our recruitment for the tutor position because we really want some more lovely people to join our team. Now I know that when I ask everybody what their favourite thing is about working at Bendrigg, it is not going to be asked to be on social media, although maybe now Rex is here we can catch him as well. What's your favourite thing about working at Bendrigg, Rex?
People.
The people. Good answer. We'll try and get a few more for you now.
Well, last week's a really good example. So it was a young girl came with her school and the teachers thought she won't do anything, and yet she had to go on the climbing wall. We got her into the canoe where they thought there's no way she'll go canoeing, and she came canoeing. She had learning difficulties and she literally ended up coming down the zip wire, and the teacher was saying there's no way she'll do that, and it was just seeing that achievement. And there was another girl in a wheelchair, and she ended up coming right through the show cave to the very end, whereas the day before she was saying, I'm not going in the cave, I'm not going in the cave. And so it's just, they said that people come to Bendrigg and they go beyond what they expect they're going to do, and it's great both for the parents and the carers and the teachers and for themselves just to see all that they can achieve here. It makes a great place to work. Yeah.
So the best thing about working at Bendrigg is knowing that you're having that long-term impact, and you're being almost like a role model to the people that are coming, and they're going away from here almost different people, and being that person that had that impact.
My favourite thing about working at Bendrigg is seeing the returning customers and seeing their confidence grow and their skills increase.
So one of the best bits is enabling youngsters or adults alike to do things they can't do. And we do, I mean, it's cliched, but we do that. We do quite a lot of that. And all the better if, if a youngster has their parent there, or if someone has their carer there, and they get to witness this person doing something that they didn't think they could do either, all the better, because these folk are the gatekeepers of these people's life experience. So if we can change that relationship, that's where the gold is. It's marvellous.
What I like most about working at Bendrigg is everyone's super friendly and welcoming. It's my first job in the outdoors and I felt super supported from the get-go.
I've worked at Bendrigg Trust approximately 10 years. Started as a tutor, but the most creative thing about Bendrigg are the people. The staff I work with and the groups that come to Bendrigg. The creativity amongst our staff is just second to none.
So our lovely volunteer Rich wanted to add what one of his favourite things about coming to Bendrigg is. Go on, Rich.
My favourite thing about coming to Bendrigg is I get fed really well, as you can see.
Some nice banana bread there, sandwiches, fed some mushroom soup, and always plenty of tea.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So there you go, lots of lovely comments from our staff team there. We've got the food, the people, the groups, making a big difference to people's lives. I'm probably biased as well, but I think it's a brilliant place to work. It's hard work, but it's incredibly rewarding. And if you're passionate and caring and want to make a difference in the world, then Bendrigg is the place for you. So I hope that this video has inspired you to apply. And if you've got any questions, please feel free to get in touch with our office and our team.